the last of the dish soap and the last of the powder, guys. Hi. I'm gonna save this and do the rinse. I do have liquids if you guys want a fake rinse. If not, I'm gonna do the rinse. It depends on what you want. I mean, I have $2 ones. What do I have exactly? I don't know. I don't have penalins. Sold out of those. Don't have powders. Honestly, I think you guys sold me out of a lot of things. I have the twist apple pine glows. I know I have the pink and yellow pinesol. I have citrus penalin. Let's see. I have blue Ajax, lime Ajax, apple fat. I have this, what is it, $6 tropical spring fat. I have xtrapine. What'd you send for, love? I'm sorry, I wasn't. I do. You guys literally sold me out today. Dang man. Out of laundry, out of dish soap. How much did you send, love, so I could pick? Hi, any liquid 6? $6 for you guys. Oh my gosh, it's only 3 for me. How are you, Carla? You guys mind if I turn the music up so I could get active? Oh, I've been good. I've been trying to get back into watching everybody's lives, so that's why I'm squeezing, getting on and doing more things. I stopped eating and taking my iron pills because I miss this. Stop eating iron filled things and stop taking my iron pills. Oh, work sucks. I'm tired of fighting. Okay. Alexa, volume to 2. Is that too loud, guys? She is. And that's okay. Because guess what? We're going to support her and have her back. Wish somebody would mess with her. Grown ass people on here really trying to mess with little ass kids. Honestly, I don't even know who be beefing with who. Don't even say that. I don't even keep up. I really don't keep up. Alright. No one has, just in case though. Singing some Spanish music now. Alexa, next song. Dang, some more Spanish music? Alexa, next song. Alexa, next song. Alright, I'm filming this. Thank you for following. Thank you for the heart, me, Carla. This smells so good. It smells like watermelon and lemon and laundry. That's really what it is. I think you are being filtered, love. I didn't see anything. What is wrong with you? What the heck? Go lay down. Go with daddy. I'll be in there right now, okay? I'm almost done. Okay? Love you. Did daddy fall asleep on you? I did. My man was the mod in here. My sisters and them, we were all watching this. And my man, like I said, my mom was like, do it, I'll buy you the stuff. And yep, I was only a watcher. So shout out to my man. What happened, Rare Gem? Yeah, I think you're being filtered. That's the first time I seen you saying if you're being filtered. What's up? Go get daddy's phone. Mommy has her phone now. You need to go lay down and be asleep. You need to go lay down and go to sleep. Go lay down and go to sleep, please. I'll be in there right now, okay? Let mommy finish and then I'll go. I'm almost done, okay? Hey, you were already asleep, dude. Why'd you wake up? It's 3 o'clock in the morning.